welcome back to my channel, Michelle Gay Science Teacher, where it's all about science. Today we're talking about science process skills. Did you know we use science process skills all the time? It is just part of our natural ability to think about how things occur. When we're using these skills, we observe, we infer, we predict, we measure, we use skills predictions to determine what is going to happen or what has happened on a daily basis. And today we're going to focus on observation skills. Observation skills are really important when it comes to solving problems in science. Scientists use their observation skills in order to collect data. When using your observation skills, you're using your five senses. And we use our five senses all the time. We all have senses that are stronger than others. But when we're observing, we're using those five senses when we're cooking, when we're cleaning, when we're learning, when we're studying, when we're going out on vacation trips, or just in the yard playing. You're using your observation skills. If you play video games, I'm sure you can tell me everything you notice on that game when you're playing. So, observation skills are really important for scientists when they're studying like rocks, the ocean, just the natural phenomenon that occurs in our everyday life. Observable skills. So today, I'm going to show you an example or a way that you can observe and help your observation skills increase because you probably have not even thought about it. So we're going to look at the penny. When observing the penny, you want to look at the penny through a magnifying lens and look at the details in order to see all the intricate details, the words, the lines, the pictures of the penny. Also, when you observe, you can measure the penny in centimeters, or you can see how many inches or a fourth of an inch, or if it's a half of an inch. When you observe your penny, take pencil and paper and draw the penny and trace it. Now that you have done these steps, the next thing you're going to do is put your penny to the side and turn it to the tail side. Move it over, cover it up so that you're not tempted to look at it again. I want you to draw what you remember from the penny. What did you observe? What did you see? Now that you have observed and drawn your penny details, look back at your penny again and compare. Compare to see what you drew and how much did you remember. Now, take that penny and put it over to the side again and cover it up so you're not tempted. And draw that penny again and see if you can add more details based on your observation and what you remember from observing the penny. Now you have drawn two drawings. Compare your two drawings to the penny. You can do this on the opposite side, the head side, and practice your observation skills again. Now that you've drawn the penny, you've observed the penny, now we want to observe it a different way. We want to see how penny holds water. How many drops of water can a penny hold? Based on measuring, observing the penny, how many drops do you think it will hold? We're going to observe how many drops of water can our penny hold on the head side. All right, I want you to get a dropper and a small cup with water, and we're going to test this out next. We're still working on our observation skills. Notice during this observation, we've only used what? Our sight and touch. We have not tasted nor smelled, nor did we have to listen to it. All right, get your materials ready, and we're going to observe how many drops of water can our penny hold. So we have our penny here. And this is the penny we're going to use. Processing skills also include prediction. So you made your prediction, how many drops you think it will hold. And we're just going to put some drops on here. And that's 3, 4. So I'm going to stop here at 9. And it still can hold water. So you would continue on making your observation. But based on what you see now, how many more drops do you think this penny can hold? Use your observation skills. Think about all the details on the penny and think about the water. And make your observation and then predict how many more can it hold. You had an opportunity to practice your observation skills using your sight, your eyes, and touch, and you were able to use the magnifying lens to observe the penny and to look for the intricate details and draw it out. You can also observe so many things. Go outside and get some leaves, get a rock, look at the dirt, look at the sand, look at even the bark on the trees. Observation is an important skill when you're working as a scientist. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Michelle Gay Science Teacher.